Home Minister Amit Shah has hit out at Rahul Gandhi as far as his vote chori claims. Home Minister has said that Congress is spreading false narratives and has said that Rahul's topic of Yatra was not vote theft. This is BJP escalating its attack on Rahul Gandhi after a press conference came in from Rahul Gandhi earlier in the day, where he raised questions once again and said that the electoral process is being compromised. Listen in to what the Home Minister had to say.
मगर ये हर बार झूठा नैरेटिव फैलाते। अभी अभी ये राहुल बाबा यात्रा कर गए ना भाई। यात्रा का विषय क्या था उनका बताओ तो जरा। अरे यार, वोट चोरी नहीं था, मैं बाद में बताता हूं क्या था। मित्रों, यात्रा का विषय बिहार में अच्छी शिक्षा लाना नहीं था। यात्रा का विषय रोजगारी नहीं था। यात्रा का विषय था जो बांग्लादेश से घुसपैठिए आए हैं उनको बचाने का विषय था। यहां इतने सारे लोग हैं, आप किसी का वोट कटा है क्या? अरे जोर से बोलो, कटा है क्या? तो किसका कटा है? जोर से बोलो, किसका कटा है? ये राहुल गांधी की यात्रा घुसपैठिया बचाओ यात्रा थी।
All right, that is Home Minister Amit Shah hitting out at Rahul Gandhi after the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha made those claims, essentially building on the narrative that Congress party has been going on for some time now, which is about vote chori. Let's get in Raman Rai, who's in Patna, joining us for more on this. Amit Shah is in Bihar today, and this is likely to dominate the election campaigning in Bihar, isn't it, Raman? Before we come to how much of it is going to impact the polls per se, let's first talk about what exactly the Home Minister said there when he countered the Congress's charge.
Yeah, Home Minister Amit Shah slams leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi in his public rally in Rohtas. Amit Shah said that the yatra which was taken by the Rahul Gandhi, it was not the yatra, it was a Ghuspaithia Bachao yatra. It was not a voter adhikar yatra. It was to save the infiltrators who came from Bangladesh and living in Bihar. And basically Amit Shah targeted all the infiltrators who are presently living in Bihar coming from the Bangladesh, and that's why Amit Shah said that Rahul Gandhi Yatra was the Ghuspaithia Bachao Yatra. Earlier today, Rahul Gandhi also conducted a press conference in Delhi, while Rahul Gandhi alleged on the Election Commission that how vote chori is being done by the Election Commission, and Rahul Gandhi gave an example of Karnataka also today. Thereafter, BJP attacks on Rahul Gandhi. BJP conducted a press conference in Delhi, and later on, Amit Shah also attacks on Rahul Gandhi and also attacks on the India Alliance that this yatra was totally to save the infiltrators in Bihar, and that's why Rahul Gandhi was taken the yatra in Bihar.
And Raman, you know, this comes after Rahul Gandhi had that very elaborate vote adhikar yatra. How much of this is now likely to be the main focus for the Congress party's campaigning in Bihar?
Exactly. Congress is directly attacking on BJP and Election Commission of India over the SIR issue. That's why Congress taken the voter adhikar yatra in Bihar. And now, if you see the Tejasvi Yadav's yatra, Tejasvi Yadav second yatra who Tejasvi is conducting in Bihar is Bihar Adhikar Yatra, and Tejasvi is focusing on the earlier agendas of Tejasvi. But Congress party is totally focused on the SIR and vote chori issue. That's why Rahul Gandhi back-to-back attacks on BJP, and today itself Rahul Gandhi also took a jibe on the hydrogen bomb jibe, also on the ECI and the BJP.